So next method of preparation of these alcohols from alkyl halides. Up to the last class we have discussed regarding the methods of preparation of alcohols by reduction of aldehydes, ketones and from alkenes. Today we will start the other methods of preparation. So next one, third method of preparation from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. Already we have discussed in that chapter, alkyl halide chapter, we have discussed that is alkyl halides whenever they have been treated with aqueous KOH or moist Ag2O. Aqueous KOH or moist Ag2O, they are the formation of alcohols. So Rx plus KOH aqueous, Rx plus KOH aqueous or AgOH. AgOH means that is moist Ag2O. Moist Ag2O. Alkyl halide that has been treated with KOH aqueous or moist Ag2O. So that is removed. That is the formation of ROH plus KX. ROH plus AgX. That is the formation of alcohols. They are the formation of alcohols. So if you take that is alkyl halide, for example C2H5Br that has been treated KOH aqueous, aqueous KOH or that is moist Ag2O, AgOH, they are the formation of that is C2H5OH plus KBr or that is C2H5OH plus that is AgBr. So whenever the alkyl halides that has been treated with KOH aqueous or moist Ag2O, moist Ag2O means that is AgOH, that is the formation of that alcohols. In the next one, next method of preparation, this is regarding that method of preparation from that alkyl halides. If we take that is secondary or CH3 bond CH bond Cl that has been treated KOH aqueous, that is the formation of CH3 bond CH OH bond CH3 plus KCl. And if we take the tertiary alkyl halide, predominantly they are the formation of that alkene, that is the formation of some amount of that alcohol, but alkene is the major product. Alkene that will be treated as major product in case of that is tertiary alkyl halide. The primary alkyl halide that has been treated KOH aqueous or moist Ag2O, there is the formation of what? That is the formation of primary alcohol. If we take second alcohol, that is second alkyl halide that has been treated with aqueous KOH, that is the formation of secondary alcohols and little amount of that alkene will be produced. But if we take that is tertiary alkyl halide, if that has been treated with aqueous KOH, the major product that will be alkene. Next method of preparation from amines. So this method that is applied for this primary amines particularly. That is from amines, primary amines that is having the formula RNH2, that is the formula for that primary amine. RNH2, that is the formula for that primary amine. So primary amines that has been treated with nitrous acid, HNO2, that is NaNO2 and HCl, nitrous acid, HNO2 that is prepared during the course of the reaction. During the course of the reaction that is prepared by the action of the sodium nitrite with that of the HCl. That is the formation of NaCl and HNO2, nitrous acid. The bonding representation for this one, that is H bond N double bond O, that is HONO. HO bond N double bond O, HONO, that is the formula for that nitrous acid, bonding representation for that nitrous acid, unstable acid that is produced in that reaction time by the addition of sodium nitrite with that of the HCl. Then primary amines, when that has been treated with nitrous acid, what will happen? That the formation of primary alcohols with the release of that nitrogen gas. So what is that reaction? How that reaction that takes place? This bond will break. That is HO, NO. RNH2, that is the formula for that amine. So whenever that has been treated with nitrous acid, that is HONO, HNO2, so this bond will break, HONO. Then what will be the product? ROH, that is the formula for that alcohol. N2 plus water. So the product will form the alcohol, the major product, organic product is alcohol with the release of that nitrogen gas. So the product will be ROH plus N2 plus water. That is nitrogen gas is released. For example, if we take C2, H5NH2, that is ethylamine. C2H5NH2 ethylamine, that has been treated with nitrous acid HNO2. So there is the formation of HNO2, that is from NaNO2 and HCl. So this bond will break, that is HONO. HONO, that is the formation of C2H5OH, C2H5OH plus N2 plus water. So there is the formation of the product C2H5OH plus N2 plus water. And if we will take that is methylamine CH3NH2 plus nitrous acid HNO2, same, that is CH3OH plus N2 plus water. So from amines, regarding that from primary amines particularly, when primary amines that has been treated with nitrous acid, there is the formation of alcohol with the release of nitrogen gas. If we will take that is, but this nitrous acid that is not in the laboratory, but that can be prepared immediately whenever that is required by the addition of sodium nitrate with that of the HCl. So C2H5NH2 nitrous acid, so there is the formation of C2H5OH plus N2 plus water. That is the formation of alcohols. So next method of preparation, from reduction of carboxylic acids. Next method, reduction of carboxylic acid, that is addition of hydrogen. Reduction of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid R bond C, double bond O, OH, that has been treated with hydrogen. This hydrogen atom, that is from that NaBH4, LiLH4, reducing agent, they have the ability to provide hydrogen. So this bond will break by the addition of hydrogen. This bond again will break by the addition of that hydrogen. So that the formation, this bond will break by the addition of hydrogen, again this bond will break by the addition of hydrogen to both the sides. So 4 hydrogen atoms are required. So the product will be RCH2OH. The product is RCH2OH plus water. Then the formation of the RCH2OH, that is primary alcohol. For example, if we will take CH3 bond C double bond O, OH, that is acetic acid, that is reduced with LiLH4, NaBH4, then what will happen? This bond will break by the addition of hydrogen, 4 hydrogen atoms required. This bond again will be added with 2 hydrogen atoms. So this bond will break, and the carbonyl group, C double bond O group, carbonyl group will be converted into methylene group, that is CH2. So CH3 bond CH2OH, that is the formation of ethyl alcohol plus water. So this is regarding the method of preparation of alcohols from carboxylic acids. Next, we see the regarding methods of preparation from Grignard's reagent. So, next method of preparation from Grignard's reagent. From Grignard's reagent, that is RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. Grignard's reagent RMgX. So, from this method, we can determine or we can prepare both primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols by taking different type of aldehydes and ketones. So, we will discuss one by one. Formaldehyde, HC double bond OH, formaldehyde react with Grignard's reagent. Let us take CH3 MgCl, that is methyl magnesium chloride. This is a formaldehyde, HCHO, that reacts with methyl magnesium chloride. So, Grignard's reagent RMgX, Grignard's reagent alkyl magnesium halide, that is methyl magnesium chloride, Grignard's reagent. To form which type of product, how this addition that is takes place. So, this metal part, this is organometallic compound, that the direct bond between metal, magnesium and the carbon. So, metal, this is the alkaline earth metal, highly electro positive metal, that acquires positive sign, del plus. So, this is del minus. Methyl magnesium chloride, that is treated as this, that is metal part positive and carbon part that becomes negative. Then carbonyl group, C double bond O group, del minus, this is your del plus. Carbon oxygen bond, that will break, the pi bond will break. So, this is the polarization of this carbonyl group, because carbon atom electronegative 2.5 and oxygen atom 3.5, shared pair of electron that is shifted more towards this oxygen atom. So, this bond is polar, carbon atom that acquires positive sign and oxygen that acquires negative sign. And whenever there is the addition of this Grignard's reagent, this pi bond will break, the negative part is added with positive and positive part is added with negative. Then what will happen? H bond C, O bond H. So, this is a carbon oxygen bond, this part is negative and this part is positive. To the negative side there is the addition of positive one, to the positive side there is the addition of negative one. So, to the oxygen side there is the addition of oxygen negative, addition of MgCl. To the positive side there is the addition of, that is CH3. So, this is regarding the addition. So, formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard's reagent, there is the formation of this additional product. So, this undergoes hydrolysis that takes place. So, there is the formation of this product, H to this side and OH to this side. This bond will break, H to this side and OH to this side. So, this bond will break. Then there is the formation of CH3 bond CH2 OH plus MgOHCl. CH3 CH2 OH. This bond will break by the addition of water. So, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis. Then what will be the product? There is the formation of CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2 OH primary alcohol plus MgOHCl. So, this is regarding the method of preparation of that primary alcohol, that is formaldehyde reacts with Grignard's reagent, there is the formation of additional compound. This additional compound that undergoes hydrolysis, this bond will break, H and OH to this side. Why H? Because oxygen atom is negative, hydrogen positive. metal part positive, OH negative. This is added. So that the formation of primary alcohol. And if we take second one, this formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard's reagent. All the aldehydes except that formaldehyde, all the aldehydes except formaldehyde that react with the Grignard's reagent. All the aldehydes, for example, CH3, C double bond OH, all the aldehydes except formaldehyde that react with the Grignard's reagent. This is formaldehyde. Beside that formaldehyde, other aldehydes, they have the ability to form secondary alcohol. Whenever that has been treated with Grignard's reagent, CH3, MgCl. So all the aldehydes except that formaldehyde that react with the Grignard's reagent, same addition, del plus, del minus, del plus, carbon oxygen bond will break, negative part will be added to positive, positive part will be added to negative. So that the formation of CH3 bond C, O, H. To the O side there is the addition of MgCl, to the C side there is the addition of CH3. So this is followed by hydrolysis. This is the addition, this is the addition product. Acetaldehyde is added with methyl magnesium chloride, acetaldehyde is added with methyl magnesium chloride, followed by hydrolysis. So this bond will break, H and OH to both sides. So that the formation of CH3 bond CH bond CH3 OH plus Mg OH Cl. CH3 CH3 OH Mg OH Cl. The formation of secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol, this is the second alcohol. So formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard's reagent. Formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis to form primary alcohol. All the aldehydes except that formaldehyde react with the Grignard's reagent to form secondary alcohols. Then what happens to that ketone? Next we will say that is ketone. Acetone, for example, ketone CH3, C double bond O, CH3, acetone that is added with methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride. Acetone is added with methyl magnesium chloride. This is del plus, del minus, del minus, del plus. Negative part, this bond will break. Negative part is added with positive, positive part is added with negative. So there the formation of CH3 bond C OMG Cl bond CH3 bond CH3. Carbon oxygen pi bond will break, negative part is added with positive, positive part is added with negative. Then what will happen? That is undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis. So this bond will break, H and OH to both sides. Then what will happen? What will happen to this compound? Carbon atom that linked to 3 carbon atoms, that tertiary carbon atom, OH linked, that tertiary alcohol. So there is the formation of this product, CH3 bond C OH mark this one. This bond will break, H is added to this side, OH to this side. So this carbon atom is linked to CH3, CH3, CH3 and OH and MgOHCl. So this carbon atom is tertiary. Tertiary. Why tertiary? Because this carbon atom is linked to another, direct link to another 3 carbon atoms. Therefore this carbon atom is tertiary carbon atom. To the tertiary carbon atom, there is the linking of that OH group, therefore that tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. That is the MgOHCl. Then if we will summarize the best method for the preparation of different type of alcohols, different type of alcohol that can be obtained only by this method. This is a suitable method for the preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, that is formaldehyde reacts with the Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis to form primary alcohol. First one. all the aldehydes except formaldehyde that react with the Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis to form second alcohol. That is second one, second reaction. All the ketones that may be acetone, propanone, butanone, etc., all the ketones, they will react with the Grignard's reagent followed by hydrolysis, and there is the formation of tertiary alcohol. So this is the suitable method for where we can prepare both primary, second and tertiary alcohols. So this is regarding the methods of preparation of the aliphatic alcohols. In the coming class, we will see regarding their properties of the alcohols. Thank you all.